Hey guys, we're doing the 3 Prizm cello break. Random team, it's 3:50, 7 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll for participants. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Copy that one and put that there. Get rid of that. Go to the team draw now. Team draw. 3 years. Multi-year. 6 times. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. No. 2, 3. 4, 5. And the teams are. Save that. Copy that one to there. Random is complete. Do that. Copy that across. Thomas Pilak Bucks, Thomas Pilak Bulls, Stretch Lakers, Stuart Sales Clippers, Thomas Pilak Blazers, Jason Aire Mavericks and Hawks. Wow. Steve Elliott Warriors, Charles Chaz Hornets, Thomas Pilak Sixers, Stuart Sales Cavs, Thomas Pilak Celtics, Walt Jones Heat, Andrew Hunt Thunder, Aire Magic, Dane Fountain Raptors, Stretch Armstrong Rockets, Charles Chaz Nets, Martin Taylor Grizz and Wolves, Thomas Pilak Knicks, Stuart Sales Suns, Thomas Pilak Kings, Martin Taylor Wizards, Andrew Hunt Pistons, Thomas Pilak Nuggets and Pacers, Walt Jones Jazz, Jason Aire with the Pelicans, and Thomas Pilak with the Spurs. And that is the team draw. Frats. Paste.